Now, Fowlers of Bristol. They've got a really bad reputation. I mean, worse than GV Bikes in Taunton who sell broken bikes, worse than Whole Shots in Yeovil who sell crashed bikes. Now, I'm not going to go into the insurance issue that happened in the 1980s, which my stepfather actually did the paperwork on, and the police involvement. What I will say is their reputation is well earned as being absolute cunts. Now, I sold my bike, my Bandit, a week ago. It was actually a week yesterday I sold it. And I've been looking at over 1,000 bikes the past week to try and get a replacement. So I send an email about bikes I'm interested in, 2 shops to get feedback. I sent 2 to him in the past week, and I got 1 response back, and that was it. I've just received a phone call, actually abusive fucking phone call from Fowlers saying, why do I keep sending them emails? Why do I keep sending them emails? I've sent 2. He's making out as if I've been sending them for months and months and months. I'm not some fucking kid doing it for a laugh. I'm a guy in his 50s who's never had a car license, who actually wants to go and spend 7 grand on a bike. That is what I want to do. And yet his attitude was to give me shit and give me abuse on the phone. So, Fowlers, go fuck yourself. Your reputation as being the worst cunts for selling overpriced bikes is well earned. Now, the bike I was actually looking at buying is a 2008 FZ1 Phaser. Now, it is overpriced. It's priced at about 5,000. I've also seen exactly the same bike with less mileage in other bike shops that will sell it with an MOT, 3 months warranty for £3,000. The only reason I actually looked at Fowlers is because they're closer to me than the other shop, and that hopefully I wouldn't have to pay the 250 quid delivery charge that the other shop was going to charge me. But honestly, I'd rather take it up the ass and pay a delivery charge than go to Fowlers, because the abusive way that I just got spoken to on the phone, when all I want to do is buy a bike. It's no wonder no fucker goes to them. Sorry, apart from people in their 90s who drive cars. I'm not going to go into the fact that let's just see if Fowlers do get this message. P.T. McPherson Insurance Surveyor. Arson. Around about the mid-1980s. £10 million. Ring any bells? Just a thought for you to actually consider the next time you're abusive to somebody for no reason. Oh, and yeah, the paperwork is still available on that scam. I mean, arson, I mean insurance claim.